Let's evaluate this indices question together. Look at it very well. A raised power 2, B raised power minus 3, C raised power 1, all raised power 2 over 4 over what? A raised power minus 1, B raised power 4, C raised power 5 equals to what? A, P, B, Q, C, R, right? Let's say, what is the value of P plus 2Q? Now, how do you solve this question here? Right? Before you evaluate every single thing here, right? Before you can equate to this other point here. The idea is that let's get our P and Q and R, although you are not going to use our way to solve this problem here, right? So let's get our P and Q. So if you can evaluate every single thing here, and get each of what A, B, and C, how to what equate to this other point here. It's just like when you have the left side equals to what to the right hand side. For example, here we have A2, B3, C4 equals to what? AX, BY, and what? CZ, right? Now ask what was AX, Y, and Z, right? From here, my X is equal to what? Because A, right? So you can see A2 equals to what? A raised to X, right? Check it very well. The base are the same, so S is equal to what? To 2. This that. Now the same here, B raised to 3 equals to what? B raised to Y. You can see that Y is equal to what? To 3. This that. Then C raised to 4 equals to what? C raised to what? Z. Here you can say Z is equal to what? 4. That is the brain behind this one here. So in the sense that you have to evaluate every single thing here. You have to evaluate every single thing here, right? So how do you do that here? So let us begin to ask. So here we have A raised to 2, B raised to minus 3, C raised to 1 raised to 3 over 4 over what? A minus 1, B raised to 4, C raised to 5, right? Now, the first one to do here is to open this bracket here. Remember, this one will affect the whole of this guy, and this guy here, right? Don't affect it. Just like we have A, X, B, Y, all raised to B. If you open the bracket here, what will happen here in the indices here? Here we have A, X times B, Y times B, right? So now this is one of the rules. That is why you need to understand the various laws of indices. In case you don't know the various laws of indices, now join my membership where all the videos on indices from A to Z. I've done every single thing. Now the link will be at the description for you to go access it, right? So if you are going for UTME and JAMB, right? These are the type of question I want to see who in what WAEC here. That type of question I want to see. And I have so many videos on indices, logarithm, variation, and the rest that are in the membership. So for you to be able to access it here, the link to access it will be at the description below. So I can join the membership, right? For JAMB and PostGEM, you see there, join and you see most of all my videos that will be ready for you to access them. So now, since we understand this concept here, let's open our brackets. If you open the brackets, what do you have here? Here we have what? A2 times 3 over 4, right? You see that? So put it in bracket here so I can separate it. So it will be 2 times 3 over 4. Same to here, right? B raised to minus 3 times what? 3 over 4, right? There are what? C, remember here is 1 times what? 3 over 4, right? Over, let us push on here, A raised to minus 1, B raised to 4, C raised to 5. Hope you understand. It's very easy. On the most seriously, it's very, very easy here. So now let's evaluate this one here. Remember, 2 can go into 4, right? If 2 go into 4, what do you have here? 2. So here we can say what? A raised to 3 over 2, right? times, or you can just say this one here. Now you have minus 3 times 3 is what is 9. So it will be your b raised power minus 9 over 4, right? Then you have, so you're going to do what? C raised power 3 over 4. This is that over a minus 1, b raised power 4, a raised power minus 1, b raised power 4, c raised power 5, right? Now what are you going to do here? A and A, you bring A together, you bring B together, you bring what C together. Just that. So what you have here is going to do what? Now because these two are the same, here you can just say A 3 over 2 over what? A raised power minus 1. This is that. That's how you do it. Now because these two are the same. Remember, if for example here we have A 2 over what? A 3. What are you going to get here? A and A. So you're going to do what? A over what? A. Here we have what? A over what? A 2. A what? A 3. Right? So that's what you're going to get, right? So now, if you say that these two and so here, they have the same base here, right? So you can just bring it together to have this one here. So it's going to be A raised power 3 over 2 over what? A raised power minus 1, or in bracket, right? Same thing with us for B. So here I would B raised power what? Minus 9 over 4 over what? B raised power 4. Just that. Then you now have C. Here we have C raised power what? 3 over 4 over what? C raised power 5. Just that. So you can see how easy it is. With this one here, we are going to this other one here, right? So let's combine each of them together here. This division sign means what? This division sign here, if you should break it down, here we have what? We have what? A 3 over 2 divided by what? A minus 1. Right? A raised to 3 over 2 divided by A raised to minus 1. Do you understand? Same thing here. Here we have B raised to what? Minus 9 over 4 divided by what? B raised to what? 4. This is that. Then you have C 3 over 4, right? Divided by what? C raised to what? 5. This is that. So remember, when you have divide, you subtract what? The index or the power, right? So you have A 3 over 2 minus 1, right? Then you have B raised to minus A minus 9 over 4. Here we have what? Minus what? 4 over 1, right? Check it very well. So B raised to what? Minus 9 over 4 minus, got this by here, minus what? 4, right? Same to here. C 3 over 4 minus 5 over what? 1. Is it clear? So let's evaluate each of this stuff here. Let's evaluate each of this one here. So remember, here we have, let us combine for here. Minus times minus is what? Is plus. So let us say here we have what? Plus. Is okay. So here we have what? Plus. 3 over 2 plus 1. How do we evaluate it here? 3 over 2 plus 1 over 1. Right? What is the LCM? The LCM is going to be 2. The LCM is going to be 2. So 2 going into 2 is what? Is 2 times 3 is what? Is 3. Plus 1 going to 2 is what? Is 2 times 1 is what? Is 2. So what do you have here? 2 plus 3 is what? Is 5. 5 over 2. So in the sense that here you can just say, here you can just say A raised to what? Raised to 5 over 2. This is that A equals to 5 over 2. Now let's look at this guy here. So we are done with this guy here, right? So let's look at this one here. Let's look at what the power. If you should look at it very well. Look at it very well. Here we have what? Minus 9 over 4 minus 4 over 1, right? What is the LCM? LCM is 4, right? 4 going to 4 is what? Is 4. 4 going to 4 is 1, right? 1 times minus 9 is what? Here we have what? Minus 9. This is that 1 going to 4 is what? Is 4. 4 times 4 is what? Is 16. So you have what? 16 minus what? 16. So minus 9 minus 16 is what? Is minus 25. So we have what? Minus 25 over 4. So if you look at it very well, so my B is what? Minus 25 over what? Over 4. So let's look at it here. 3 over 4 minus 5 over what? 1. So you have what? 3 over 4 minus 5 over 1, right? 3 over 4 minus what? 5 over 1. So what are you going to get here? LCM is what? Is 4, right? 4 going to 4 is 1 times 3 is what? Is 3 minus, right? 1 going to 4 is what? Is 4. 4 times 5 is what? Is 20, right? So what are you going to do here? We have minus 70 over 4, right? So here we have C is out minus 70 over 4. This is that, right? So this is everything here. So if you should check it very well, please pay attention. If you check very well, here we have what? Remember, the all of this side now I've evaluated to be this one here, right? Now equates to this guy. Just and so here we now have what? A 5 over 2, B minus 25 over what? 4, C minus 17 over what? 4 equals to A raised to what? P, B raised to what? Q, and C raised to what? R, right? So what I want to happen here is that this is equal to this is equal to this, and this is equal to this, right? So when I say A raised to 5 over 2 is equal to what? A raised to what? P, right? Then here we have what? B raised to what? Minus 25 over what? 4 is equal to what? Is equal to B raised to what? Q. Just that. Then C raised to what? 17 over what? Over 4 is equal to what? C raised to what? R. So what does it mean here? P is equal to this here. So it's not P is equal to what? 5 over 2. Then my Q, what is my Q? My Q is equal to what? Minus 25 over what? 4, right? Then my R is equals to what? Minus 17 over what? Over what? 4. Now, but this is not what they say you should solve. Yeah, they say you will solve this guy. Right? They say you will solve for what? What is value of what? P plus 2Q. Right? So let's evaluate that one now. So what do you have now, right? So if you check very well, so you should calculate what? P plus 2Q, right? What's my P? My P is what? 5 over what? 2. My P is what? 5 over 2. So it will be 5 over 2 plus 2. Now what's my Q? My Q is what? Is minus 25 over what? 4. Minus 25 over 4, right? What happened here? We know that plus and minus is what? Is minus. So here we have 5 over 2 minus 2 times 25 is what? Is 25. 2 times 25 is what? Is 50. 50 over 4. This is that. So how do you solve this in here? Look at the LCM. LCM is what? Is 4, right? LCM of 2 and 4 is what? Is 4. 2 going to 4 is what? Is 2. 2 times 5 is what? Is 10 minus 4 going to 4 is what? Is 1. 1 times 50 is what? Is 50, right? Equals to what? Here. 10 minus 50, what you have is what? Is minus 40. What? 4, right? 4 going to 40 is what? Is going to be what? Minus what? 10. So the value is what? The answer is what? Is D. Just now join my membership or join our private class for more of this type of video that is coming your way to help you understand math, chemistry, and physics. I teach math, chemistry, physics on this YouTube channel. So to subscribe to this channel, share this video if you understand, and comment if this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.